My name's Alan Hart, and today I'm going to show you how to top up the expansion vessel on a Baxi Platinum or any of the Baxi range really, Main, Potterton, etc. So first of all, I'm just going to drain the boiler down from this filter. And so let's have a look in there, look. I'm just going to shut isolation valve and just take the pressure out of the boiler. Just got there. So I've got the pressure now on 0, and in this particular boiler it has your spark electrode just up here, wrong way around, like that. So I've just undone the spark electrode out, take that out of the way, and then this just lifts out of the way, and then all you need to do is get to your cap there. So your cap will be up there, undo your cap off the top, and then you've got into the Schrader valve, and then obviously you need to get your foot pump. You've got the foot pump, look. Got my little helper with me today. Just go get a foot pump, and then if you get your connection for your Schrader valve, this has got another connection on there. So when you screw this on, you're not letting pressure out. Just connect that onto the top of the Schrader valve. And then I've got my foot pump here. Got a little extension on my Schrader valve, on my foot pump. Connect that on there. I've just got my foot pump here, and I'm just going to pump this up now. You see, definitely needed doing. I'll just pump this up to about 1 bar. And then if we look at the pump, we've pumped it up now to 1 bar. So what we're doing now, this expansion vessel, in the middle of it, it's got a rubber diaphragm, and we're putting air back into here. And what that does is it allows the system, it allows expansion in the system. And how you can sometimes tell is when you look at your expansion, when you look at your pressure gauge, if your pressure gauge is say it's to 1 when the system's cool, and then when you heat the system up and the system gets warm, if this goes all the way around to somewhere near 3, then this could be the reason. And normally that could just be down to lack of servicing, and that it just needs the expansion vessel pumping up. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put all this back together here. I'm just going to take the Schrader valve back off on the top. In fact, I'll take this bit off first. We'll just get the pump out of the way. And then we'll just take this back off. Just try and take that off as quick as you can so you don't lose the air out of the system. And then we'll just push us, I can't remember what they're called now. It's to stop when rainwater comes in. Water can go down here instead of making your boiler look a mess. And then I'll just connect this back on as well. And I'll just screw the top one back in a minute, but that's how you do it, and that's how you top up your expansion vessel. If you've got any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.